This video is a demonstration of the Rare Diseases Clinical Research Network Contact Registry registration form. To get to the registration form, click the Join Our Contact Registry button on the Contact Registry webpage on the Rare Diseases Clinical Research Network website. Once on the registration form, you will be taken to the information sheet. Please review the text written. You do have the option to download a PDF copy of the information sheet to save and print for later viewing. After reviewing the information sheet, confirm that you are 18 years of age and select the applicable registration category. You are eligible for the registry if you are over 18 years of age and are a person with a rare disease, are a parent or caregiver of a child with a rare disease, are a parent or caregiver of someone who needs assistance completing the registration, or an unaffected interested volunteer. Once you have selected the appropriate category, the next step is to enter your contact information. You may enter as much or as little information as you would like, but to come back to the survey at a later time, you must enter email address. The email address will serve as your login credential. There is also a reminder at the bottom of the screen to enter your email. Once you are ready to proceed to the next page, you can click Next Page at the bottom of the form. If you would like to come back to the form later, click Save and Return Later. You will be asked to enter your email address to receive your unique login link. The next page is demographic information. If you are registering as a person with a rare disease or an unaffected interested volunteer, we ask that you enter your demographic information. If you are registering as a parent or a caregiver, we ask that you enter the contact information of the person with the rare disease. The information being collected below is to assign a global unique identifier. The global unique identifier is a unique code made up of letters and numbers that allow researchers to share data from other studies in which you have participated without letting others know who you are. You can choose whether or not to provide this information. As you navigate through the form, you will be able to enter disease information. On this page, you can start typing your disease, and if it is in the list, it will appear. If your disease is not in the list, type Other, and a selection will appear, Other, my rare disease is not in the list. Then you will be able to type your disease. The information for physician diagnosis and date of diagnosis can also be completed on this page. If you are unsure or you prefer not to answer, simply leave this section blank. The next page is for you to select the consortium or research group. By selecting a consortium, you are agreeing to share your data with them. Based on the disease selection on the previous page, a helpful hint may appear to show you which consortium studies your disease. If this box does not appear, that means there are no active consortia studying your disease, but you are still eligible and welcome to join the registry. You can select as many consortia as you would like, and you also have the option to select none. You can also check the box to read more information about the research group. You may also click the consortium name, which will lead you to their webpage on the Rare Diseases Clinical Research Network website. Once you have made your consortia selections, you will navigate to the patient advocacy group page. On this page, the selections that appear are based on the consortium selection on the previous page. As on the previous page, you have the option to select none. Once you have made your way to the end of the survey, you will have the option to subscribe to the Rare Diseases Clinical Research Network newsletter. If you would not like to receive the newsletter, uncheck the box. Once you have completed the registration, click Submit. You are now part of the RDCRN Contact Registry. You will be sent a unique link to the email address you provided during the registration process. The email will include your login and how to contact the Rare Diseases Clinical Research Network Contact Registry team. Keep the link in a safe place, and as a reminder, your login information will be the email address you used to register. If you have any questions, please contact support, SUPPORT, at rdcrn.org. Thank you.